Hi kids! Today we're going to learn about the alphabet, colors, and even a little bit about some animals using these cool alphabet magnets. Hey, this alphabet looks a little funny. That's because each of our letters looks like an animal that starts with that letter of the alphabet. Let's check it out. This is the letter A. The A is green and it looks like an alligator. A is for alligator. This is the letter B. The B is brown and it looks like a bear. B is for bear. This is the letter C. The C is orange and it looks like a cat. C is for cat. Meow. This is the letter D. The D is brown and it looks like a dog. D is for dog. This is the letter E. The E is blue and it looks like an elephant. E is for elephant. This is the letter F. The F is green and it looks like a frog. F is for frog. Do you know what letter comes after F? Yeah, it's the letter G. This is the letter G. The G is orange and brown and it looks like a giraffe. G is for giraffe. This is the letter H. The H is brown and it looks like a horse. H is for horse. This is the letter I. The I is green and it looks like an iguana. I is for iguana. This is the letter J. The J is orange and brown and it looks like a jaguar. J is for jaguar. This is the letter K. The K is brown and it looks like a kangaroo. K is for kangaroo. This is the letter L. The L is orange and red and it looks like a lion. L is for lion. This is the letter M. The M is brown and it looks like a monkey. M is for monkey. Do you know what letter comes after M? Yeah, it's the letter N. This is the letter N. The N is blue and it looks like a nightingale. N is for nightingale. This is the letter O. The O is yellow and orange and it looks like an owl. O is for owl. This is the letter P. The P is pink and it looks like a pig. P is for pig. This is the letter Q. The Q is blue and it looks like a quail. Q is for quail. This is the letter R. The R is pink and it looks like a rabbit. R is for rabbit. This is the letter S. The S is green and it looks like a snake. S is for snake. This is the letter T. The T is green and it looks like a turtle. T is for turtle. Do you know what letter comes after T? Yeah, it's the letter U. This is the letter U. The U is blue and yellow, and it looks like an ultrasaurus. U is for ultrasaurus. This is the letter V. The V is orange and brown, and it looks like a vulture. V is for vulture. This is the letter W. The W is blue, and it looks like a whale. W is for whale. This is the letter X. The X is blue, and it looks like an X-ray fish. X is for X-ray fish. This is the letter Y. The Y is brown and it looks like a yak. Y is for yak. Do you know the last letter of the alphabet? Yeah, it's the letter Z. This is the letter Z. The Z is black and white and it looks like a zebra. Z is for zebra. All right, we did it. We learned about all the letters of the alphabet and even about an animal that starts with each letter of the alphabet. Thanks so much for playing with me. I hope you had fun. I'll see you again next time. Bye!